This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mitsubishi Outlander service light. This simple process can be done right from your driver's seat, saving you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover the exact steps to turn off that persistent service reminder, ensuring your dashboard is clear and ready for your next adventure. Let's get started with the first crucial step. Now that your ignition is off, turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the information button, usually on the left side of your steering wheel or dashboard. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options until you see the service reminder, often represented by a small wrench icon. This is your gateway to resetting the light. With the wrench icon displayed, press and hold the information button. Keep holding it until the service icon begins to flash, indicating it's ready for reset. Once it starts flashing, release the button, then quickly press it again for a short moment. You should see the service light disappear from your display, confirming a successful reset. To finalize the process, start your Mitsubishi Outlander's engine. The service light should now be off, confirming your successful reset. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and preventing these reminders. If the light reappears, consult your owner's manual or a certified mechanic. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on personal finance, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.